An introduction to the Trend Rating Portfolio Sentinel or Plus app for Bloomberg. The foundation of successful equity investing is capturing key price trends. It's difficult to perform without a sense and a respect for actual trends, irrespective of other metrics, opinions, and market noise. Stock markets display a broad performance dispersion all the time. This example shows the dispersion of performance for the 12 months ending September 1, 2020. Dispersion is a great opportunity for active portfolio managers. It's all about capturing a good part of the winners while avoiding most of the losers. Is this easy? Not at all. This is the main challenge for all professional investors. Trend rating makes it easier to profit from price trends across stocks. Trend rating invented a way to rate trends, measuring the direction and quality of meaningful price trends with a time horizon of 6 to 18 months. The methodology is designed to capture the big money flow in and out of securities, identifying the beginning of trends earlier than old-school tools while filtering out price noise and short-term volatility. A and B ratings identify bull trends, while C and D ratings signal bear phases. Trend rating is the leader in rating price trends using a massively tested model and cutting-edge interface. Trend rating has introduced a new quality control metric, the Trend Capture Rating, or TCR, of portfolios. This innovative rating methodology supports a more effective risk control and optimization of portfolios. It captures the overall portfolio exposure to uptrends versus downtrends. The higher the rating, the higher the expected return. The lower the rating, the bigger the risk to underperform the associated benchmark. Use the Plus app from Trend Rating to rate and assess individual stock trends, validate holdings, get alerted to trend reversals via rating changes, perform a sanity check on portfolios, and simulate reallocations to improve returns and reduce risks. Objectively measuring trends can easily enhance any investment strategy by supporting a more intelligent synchronization with trend developments. A better sense and respect of trends can easily improve investment returns. Make trends work for you. Start the app by uploading your portfolios and your baskets. Make a selection and start the analysis. At the top are the key tabs enabling the analysis of portfolios. The rating of all the holdings. The simulation of potential switches in the portfolio to maximize the exposure to bull trends. The export of the list of investment ideas. And the help page. Portfolio risk control. On the top left, the Trend Capture Rating, or TCR, of the portfolio provides the measure of the aggregated portfolio exposure to stocks in bull trends versus securities in a bear phase. This is an important metric to control risks, as the lower the TCR is, the bigger the risk to underperform. Any portfolio with a rating lower than B+ should require a careful evaluation of the holding structure. The rating distribution. On the top right, you will see the distribution percentage of all the holdings across the 4 ratings grades. The lower the total exposure to stocks rated C and D, the higher the probability is for better returns. Rating changes, alerts on individual holdings. This is the list of rating changes. Alerts on downgrades and upgrades are available for different time frames. Today, last week, last month, the last 3 months. Stocks that have recently been downgraded have a high probability to continue to fall in price. Therefore, a switch to positively rated securities may be considered. Analysis of rating by markets, sectors, industries. This is the rating breakdown by markets, sectors, and industries. Here it is possible to quickly identify the pockets of weakness in a portfolio across the stocks aggregated by country and sector exposure. The rating presented is the aggregated and weighted rating of the stocks held in the portfolio. A rating below B+ signifies that the stocks selected in the specific market or sector have a relevant component of stocks trending down. Better selections can be identified in the peers list. Capture the key trend events. Rating changes by market, sector, industry. This matrix displays the rating changes of the combined holdings by market and sectors. It displays the current rating and enables the quick identification of recent downgrades and upgrades for the last day, week, and month. Another quick view spots the areas of risk, and candidates can be improved via a change in stock selection. This functionality supports access to the full list of all the holdings in the specific market and sector. Detailed list of holdings. The tab Holdings exposes the list of all the stocks in the portfolio with details on rating and performance. It's easy to sort the list with the negatively rated stocks at the top to identify high-risk positions. Simulate and increase the portfolio return potential. The goal of the simulation is to facilitate the replacement of negatively rated holdings with alternative stocks rated A to improve the risk-return profile of the portfolio. For example, let's now try and raise the trend capture rating of this portfolio. It's currently rated a bit low, so let's see how we can improve it. Just click on any stock rated C or D and look for alternative investment ideas in that peer group. The list of alternatives starts with securities in the same market, same sector, and similar market cap of the stock to be replaced. It's easy to identify a stock that may be a good fit to the specific investment style and constraints. Now let's repeat the process with other issues. And here are the results. We have quickly been able to raise the portfolio rating, reducing the exposure to the securities in a bear trend and increasing the overall positions to stocks that are rising, improving the expected returns. Reports. You can create rich, compelling reports in PDF format for all your portfolios. Help. The Help function provides a comprehensive explanation of all functionality, along with a list of frequently asked questions. To find the app in Bloomberg, go to the Apps and type in Plus. Thanks for your interest in trend rating.